Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make stir-fry with ground beef. Start by prepping 1 lb ground beef, chopping vegetables, and measuring 2 tablespoons soy sauce before you heat the pan. Heat a wide pan until hot, brown the beef quickly, then remove excess fat. Stir-fry vegetables in high heat, return the beef, add sauce, and cook until glossy and combined for a simple, tasty meal. Gather your ingredients and messy en place to speed the process and reduce stress while cooking. Chop vegetables into bite-sized pieces and get aromatics like garlic and ginger ready. Measure your sauces and cooking oil so you can add them quickly once the beef is browned. This setup keeps the pan hot and prevents soggy vegetables, delivering vibrant texture and consistent flavor in under 15 minutes when you Start with a hot pan and brown the 1 lb ground beef in a single layer to get caramelized bits that add savory depth. Remove excess fat, then stir-fry vegetables at high heat for a crisp tender bite. Return the beef, add 2 tablespoons soy sauce and a splash of sesame oil, and toss quickly until everything is coated and glossy. Serve over rice or noodles for an easy, satisfying dinner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.